how to fix Messenger not showing active friends on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends on Android phone. It's easy, just go to settings and apps again and Messenger, and if you want to fix this glitch just go to storage and click this one here, clear cache, and click force stop, and then just go back and try again. Your problem will be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem just restart your phone and it must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.